Hey y'all, welcome to my channel of doing stuff and things. As you may have noticed in the last video that I remade several times, I did leave out the most important part. If you did the OC007B issue, there is the Steam part of this. So what you're looking at right now is the message I received after I put this in Train Simulator 5. I eventually got it to work, but this came up, and if I hit continue, it would just go in an endless circle and would not launch the game. So now I'm going to show you how to do with this last part, which will complete my series on the OC007B. Appreciate your patience. So you know the game launches now, but now the problem is getting into if you fix the Steam game with that solution. So to do that, you go into. Now I did this on Train Sim World 5. So the file that we need is no longer there. Train Sim Classic 2024 didn't give me that error. It worked just fine. So, but the file is there, so I can go through the procedure. So what you want to do is right-click, Properties, Install Files, Browse. This is the directory where the files reside. And what you're looking for is this guy here. I'll put this up here again. Its full name is, look at my notes here. Say .dll. Anyway, this is the file you're looking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a search for that inside the directory. Sorry, txt. Steam underscore, put this up instead. Steam underscore appid.txt. What you want to do in here is you want to right click on this, go into open file location, delete the file, and then what you can do in here is when it goes to the actual launcher, which is right here, you want to right click on it, and in this case I didn't have to do it again. It's another troubleshooting step. You can go to compatibility and remove this run as administrator. So 3 out of 4 games, working on the last one, which is the Fly Inside Flight Simulator. Falcon BMS worked. Train Sim World 5 worked with this last fix, and Train Sim World 2024 worked just fine without any problems. That one actually runs in 64, 32, and the new DX12 experimental. Anyway guys, that is actually it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please let me know if I can help you with your gaming issues. I wish the videos hadn't been plagued with all these technical difficulties, but I have to say, I had the fan running, so we'll see what the audio is like on this. But I have to say, happy gaming. Till next time, take care.